Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vasi here and today we are going to unbox the Samsung Gear VR. So let's unbox it. So on the front here you have the picture of the Gear VR itself. On the top left it says Samsung Gear VR. On the bottom it says powered by Oculus. And here there are a little bit of barcodes and nothing on the side except the seals. And on the back here it says Samsung Gear VR compatible with Samsung Galaxy Note 7, S7, S7edge, Note 5, S6edge Plus, S6, S6edge. So I think that it is also compatible with the S8 as it supports USB Type C. Anyways, you can check compatibility of Samsung smartphones on samsung.com. You can check there if you have any doubt. Cinematic wide view, immersive 360-degree experience. Of course, it's a VR glasses. We are going to experience 360-degree and hundreds of VR apps and games. And here it says play amazing games, watch 2D 3D movies in your own private cinema, socialize with friends, be at the center of suspense, thriller, and so much more. The Gear VR drops you right into the action and it is only from Samsung Gear VR. Connect your compatible device to download the Oculus software where you can browse and install new VR apps. Some apps may require payment. So this means that the VR app can only be used when you are going to connect your smartphone to your VR glasses. Otherwise the VR app is not available on the Play Store. You have to connect it through your VR so that the Samsung device recognize it and then it opens the app to be installed. I am going to make a video about it. Please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to be notified about the next video. Anyways, here it says select a compatible connector for your mobile device. If you have a USB Type C, use that. If you have a micro USB connector, you can use that. For more information, anyways, health and safety warning: do not wear this product without a phone attached. Do not leave Gear VR in direct sunlight. Exposure of the device lens direct sunlight may cause damage to the Gear VR or other surroundings. Anyways, let's just open it. I have already cut open the seal, so I'm just going to open it. You don't have to accept if you see this seal broken. It means it has already been opened in case you are buying this. Anyways, we are just gently going to slide it out and here it is, and nothing else is in the box. It's empty. So here we have the Gear VR itself and a little box. Let's see what it has. It will have the accessories, Gear VR. Okay, we're going to open it, and here it has a user manual, and I think this one is in other language. I don't know which one this is in. Anyway, this one is in English. It will tell you all the things how to use and how to attach the phone and also how to install the software. And here we have a little packet with our different USB connectors through which we can connect to our phone. Here we have a micro USB to Type C connector, and here we have a regular micro USB connector. This will connect to your VR glasses to connect to your smartphone. And here we have our straps. This will connect to the VR so that we can place our VR in front of our eyes, and these will go onto our head. And here is another set of them as well. Okay, this is all that is present in the box. Let's see the VR itself. Here is the VR and nothing else is there. And what's this? There is only one protective plastic covering on the lens, and there is no one in the other one. What is this? Samsung? It looks like someone is not doing their duty well, so keep an eye on them. Anyways, we are going to peel this one since we don't have the other one. Well, that is disappointing from Samsung. Anyways, on the front side it looks something like this with the Samsung logo on top, and on the top you have this rotatable thing through which you can change the position of your mobile. It may be different for different users. and on the right side here it has the home button and a back key and also the touchpad, and on the left side it says Gear VR powered by Oculus, and on the bottom it's like this, and of course on the inside you can see it very well. Now to open the front, all you have to do is to push this thing backward, the left one, and as you can see it moves out by itself. You're just gently going to remove this, and here you can see the lenses. You're just going to place it somewhere safe, the front cover, and here is the connector where we are going to connect to our phones. You're just gently going to pull it back, and here as you can see it has a USB type C connector. All you have to do is to plug your smartphone here first. Now if you want to remove this connector, since your smartphone does not support USB type C, so you can remove it and place a micro USB connector. All you have to do is to push it backward like this and it will slide off like this, and you can use the micro USB connector in your accessories which I have just unboxed. All you have to do, you have this little plastic coming out and you can see there is a little box here. All you have to do is to make sure that the plastic is on the lower side. You're going to place it here and you're just gently going to push it in, and now it's locked. It also says here lock and unlock. If you want to lock it, you can just do like this and it's locked. If you want to unlock it, just do this, and now you're just going to connect your regular smartphone here and you're done. I'm going to soon make a video of how you can connect your smartphone, as well how you can install the app for the Samsung Gear VR, so stay tuned for it. If you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified of the video. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.